Jai Hind students, this is history of class 10 chapter number 2, and it is our uh, next topic, the sense of collective belonging. The sense of collective belonging means a sense for uh, by which emotionally and theoretically peoples were connected on one specific point without any religious matter, without any regional matter, or without any caste matter, that it is for the integration of different community on one place, on one motive, on one demand. So sense of collective belonging means a sense in which we all become unite by different ways on one matter. It is a thought of nationalism and a type of integration between every person, every Indians, or every person of the nation, as that we can call it nation state. So nationalism thought is given through these views. So it is a in this system there were so many type of symbolic forms were given in the collective belonging, a sense of collective belonging, which emotionally carried up and take up everyone on one motive, uh, with a patriot and with a nationalism thought. A sense of collective belonging come partly through the expression of united struggle, and in the variety of the, because India have the variety of culture, city, custom, religion, and so many things. So the nationalism captured pupil imagination, history and fictions, folklores and song, popular printings and some symbols, all played a part of making of nationalism. So these are responsible for making a nationalism thought, which emotionally, psychologically and nationally attached people with each other, to connect pupils with each other. So it is a common identity. The identity of nationalism, as you know, in the most often of the symbolizations in figures, so it helps. So in this way, Vande Mataram, which is written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay in 1870, that it become a national song, uh, and a new identity, image of भारत माता. ठीक है. The Vande Mataram was taken by a novel of Anand Math, and it was written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. A virtual image of Bharat Mata, to whom we symbolize our nation as our mother, as we respect our nation. So it is a form of common identity. So in this sense, in the Swadeshi movement, Rabindranath Tagore printed his famous image for Bharat Mata, which is given here in the page, and this was like Ravi Varman before him, and this figure is a symbolic identity of our nation as our mother. So in last 19th century, in last of 19th century, nationalism become recorded folk tales sung by braids, and they turned village to gather folk songs and legends. So this all these things by give up a turn to picture of the tradition and culture which cooperate and attract each other for demanding by outside force. uh, corrupt, and it was showing that the corruption and the problems which have whatever created by the British Raj.